Hey everybody, it's Kristie Sanders, your independent Scentsy consultant with Happy Day Scents. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got the scent and warmer of the month for June 2024 to show you. And the scent is very simple one this month. So it is, for you to see, Provence Lavender. So Provence Lavender only has lavender scent notes in it. And it just smells like fresh, herbaceous lavender. There's no perfuminess to it. There's no body care scent to it. There's no sugar or anything but lavender. And that's a little different for Scentsy because most of our wax bars or their fragrances at least have a couple of different scent notes, if not more. But this one, just lavender. It reminds me a lot of, I've had these little tea bags that I put in my bath that have, they're called bath tea bags, and they have dried flowers in them. And there's one that's called Soothing Lavender that I've enjoyed before. And it smells just like those Soothing Lavender tea bags if you've ever tried those. Just plain lavender. It's good in the bedroom and it's good in the bathroom. That's where I like to use this. The scent of lavender, a lot of people find it kind of relaxing. It doesn't really do that to me, but it will knock my husband's lights out. So if you put lavender on, he just goes right to sleep wherever he is, which is the funniest thing ever. But he is very sensitive to the soothing effects of lavender. And it's kind of funny, but it'll just knock it. He just goes right to sleep. And so anyway, that's Provence Lavender is the name of it this month. And you know, Scentsy, we get these little pamphlets for scent and warmer of the month, and it always has a little breakdown of the fragrance, and you can see the only thing in Provence Lavender is lavender. And so if you love floral or you love lavender, this is a good one for you. And I, as a consultant, I get a scent and warmer of the month kit. I get, I think I start with six or seven bars of the scent of the month, and I've already given away 4 of them. And so, well, no, I melted 1 to make samples, and I gave the other 3 away. So if you guys have tried Provence Lavender yet, and I know there's at least 3 of you that are my customers that have tried it, leave a comment below and tell us what you think. Where do you like to melt it? And do you think lavender is relaxing? So some people love it, and some people, like my sister, does not do well with lavender. She doesn't like it at all. But other people just love it. And so it's kind of interesting to see. Our scent of the month also comes as pods. And our pods, I think our pods are a little more gentle. They're not quite as strong. The wax bar is a strong one, but the pods are a little more gentle if you like a lighter lavender scent. Now let me show you the warmer of the month. So this is our warmer of the month. This is called Lavender Bouquet. Oh, and I'm holding it crooked. So Lavender Bouquet, this is something different that Scentsy hasn't done before. It kind of has a decor piece and a warmer all put together. And I have not even opened the box yet, so I hope I'm going to sit up here on my foot so I can see a little bit better. I don't know if it's hard to put together or not, so we'll see. All right, just right off the top, you see the wax dish there. Let's see. The wax dish looks kind of gray. Here it is. Here's the Scentsy logo on the bottom, and you see that number 4. That means you're not going to put more than 4 cubes of wax in this, okay? But those of you who have been around with me a while know that I usually only put 2 cubes in there. But that is the wax dish. And you always have little instructions in there. The little warning label. All right, now, what do I want to get out first? Let's start with a warmer. So this warmer is about 6 inches tall. It takes a 20-watt light bulb. Get my pair of scissors and open it up here. 20-watt light bulb, and it comes with a clear bulb. Although I got out a pink and a purple bulb because I thought, from looking at the pictures, that we might want to try it with a different color bulb too. Okay, So here is the warmer. Oops. It's kind of this gray. It's just a matte gray finish, okay, with the little diamond cuts in the glass. Here's the notch for your cord. And there's not much to tell about it. You can see it's a clear glass, but it's got that gray painted on the outside. All right. Let me undo the cord and we'll light it up, and then I'm going to show you the rest of the little setup that comes with it. Okay. So this is what the warmer looks like by itself. Oop, there went my power cord there. Okay. So I'm going to turn this off for just a minute and show you what else is in the box. And we'll put it all together, okay? So also in the box is this glass jar. And this is a little bit lighter purple, okay? So you got this glass jar. I have some lavender. And the last thing in the dish is, last thing in the box is this little wooden box, okay? So this is what it looks like. In the back of my little box, it's got a slot. That slot is for your power cord, okay? I've got a little knot on there. That looks kind of rustic, and it's kind of a light gray color, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to put your warmer on the side with a notch, and your power cord's going to go right through that notch like that, okay? All right, next, you're going to put your glass jar on this side, and the flowers are going to go in there. So let me see. Let me close this box up and let me put this on the box so you can see it. Maybe you can see it better this way. Okay. Is that better? Crooked. Am I a little crooked? There we go. There we go. Okay. So you got this little tray, this little wooden tray with your warmer. I'll turn that back on. And this is your glass dish for your lavender. And then here you've got 4 bundles of lavender that we'll put in this jar. And then we'll kind of fluff it out. Oh, look how pretty. And the neat thing about this is if you want to, you can put a different kind of flower in here. You know, it doesn't have to be lavender, but that's what comes with it. But you can make it seasonal, you know, decorate it different for different times of the year. Got a couple of tall pieces. I need to kind of bounce that out a little bit. There, is that better? Okay, so the name of this warmer, again, what did I say, was Lavender Bouquet. All right, so here is the Lavender Bouquet with a clear bulb. Isn't that cute? So I'm going to put this in my living room, but one thing that I saw some pictures of that other consultants had done was to try a purple bulb. So I want to do that real quick with you before you go and show you what this looks like, because I got out a purple bulb and I actually got out a pink one too. I thought the pink might be pretty too. And so if you want to see, let's try that. I'll take out that clear bulb. Scentsy has colored bulbs that come in red, blue, green, pink, and purple. Is it all red, blue, pink, green? Green. Did I say green? And purple. Make sure I've got this going in here straight. With the purple bulb. All right, let's try that one. Oh. Let me just take this out and show it to you. So this is with the purple bulb. It's not as bright. So if you like a more dim light, it's not as bright, but it's pretty. And I'm not sure if that's really picking up great on the camera there. But that looks more purpley in there. And it's still going to be warm enough to heat your wax. But the light's a little more dim, okay? Let's try pink. Let's try pink real quick. don't know which one I'm going to use. I think pink might look purple, but it might be a little bit brighter. Let's try that. Oh, no, it looks very pink for sure, but it kind of looks pretty with the lavender pieces. So let me hold that closer to you so you can see it better. I like the pink bulb actually. And then you can actually use this by itself if you want to, with just the pink bulb or any color bulb you want to in it. All right. So I don't know. Upstairs, I think in my living room, I'll probably just go with a clear bulb. Let me put that back in there. Clear bulb. And for my purpose in my living room, I think that the clear might go just as well or better than the other ones. There it is. Okay, that's it. Oh, I kind of like the little knot right there on the tray. You know, the trays are made out of real wood, and everybody's looks a little bit different. I've seen them with different, you know, imperfections in the wood that show up, and a lot of them are just plain all the way across. But this one's got a little knot there, and I kind of like that. I saw somebody else had one that had a little place where it was not really imperfection, but a difference in the wood grain where they had sort of a white spot where the stain didn't color well. I guess kind of like that right there. But I like that. I think it looks kind of rustic and pretty. And I need something new in my living room. And so I'm going to go up and put that up there right now. But I just thought you'd want to see. So, thanks for watching. This is the Scent and Warmer of the Month. If you want, if you're interested in purchasing this, it's 10% off both the warmer and the wax and the pods, and it comes in a scent circle and a room spray, and they're all 10% off for the month of July. Did I tell you June? I think I did, didn't I? It's July. July's Scent and Warmer of the Month. Y'all, this summer has been crazy for us. Anyway, those are all going to be 10% off for the whole month of July. And if you need anything else, you just let me know. Okay? Y'all have a happy day, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.